What's up guys, Jazz25 here, and today we are showing you guys the new wing. Look at that. The new wing is a Subaru WRX STI wing that I just got during the week. I totally love it guys, it looks awesome, and I'll be showing you guys how it looks inside and outside as well. Because I found a rattling noise when I was opening the boot, so we're going to investigate that and see where it leads us. So guys, right now I'll show you how the wing looks at the moment. This is how the wing looks. This is the new STI wing that I got from eBay. It cost $250, and then it cost $300 to install it, a painter install it. And it looked really good. It looked really good all finished and that, so I'm quite happy with that. But there's one problem that when the guy installed it, I'll show you in a sec. When you open it, and it's a bit heavy, so you hear a little rattle, a little bit. You can hear something inside. I think it's a screw come loose. So we're going to go in there and have a look at it. So here, open the button like that. Right here, this is where we need to take off. I'll get a screwdriver on that shortly and take that off. This whole thing comes down, and then this is where the wing goes up there. So this is that screw hole there. But we just need to take this off because of the rattle. If you can hear it, I'll show you now. You can hear that? You can hear that. That's probably a screw loose, so I'll get a flathead screwdriver and yeah, we'll get inside there. Okay, I got my screwdrivers now, so hopefully we can pop this open and see where that screw is. Hopefully the screw is just at the top, so I can just easily grab it. But if it's all the way down the bottom, then we're gonna have some problems. So let's try to figure this out. You see in there, all the cables in there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'll pop you guys down here. Let's get this done. I've got this, so we'll pop this open. Hopefully gentle, because I don't want to break it, so. Oh yeah. Okay, you see that? I popped that open, so it was like that. Now you got the screwdriver and just popped it open like that. And it just comes off like that. And just twist it. Let's try it for these ones too. Pops open too. And then we've got this one over. It just comes off. Oh, yep, it does come off. So, oh shit, just dropped it. Yeah, so it does come off. That's where it is there. Just a little in some screw like that. Just push it, and that's how it goes. So I'll try not to lose these. Keep them somewhere. I'll just put them down here, but yeah, so we'll put them up later. So hopefully, if we take all these out, when we take all these out, we can find that screw inside. And of course, I'm being careful when I'm doing this. Yeah, this is my car, so and that just slides off like that. Slides off like that, and this is what you got. This is the panel, on the back of it, label. So we've got the Subaru thing on it, so that's cool. It's nice and flexible, so we just put it down here. Like this, and this is okay. Now I'll rattle it and see where the sound comes from. So you see here, this is where the bolts, this is where he drilled. Look at that, and then come around here, and that's where it goes there. So yeah, pretty much. And there's the other bolt there, so it's 2 bolts for this wing. There's a bolt there and bolt there, and a bolt there and bolt there. And you can see that, a 5-cent piece. Oh, and look at that, and a 10-cent piece. Wow. Oh, and look at that, another 10-cent piece. I wonder why they're there. That's pretty weird. Did we get rich, guys? I don't know, let's find out. Yeah, so you see that. I don't know if they're there because they're plugging a hole or what. Or they're just there for whatever reason. Well, let's just find out. I'll get my screwdriver and take this 10-cent piece off. Oh. Oh, and look at that. We've got a 10-cent piece, guys. I'll show you there. Show it there. Looks like glue. They definitely glued this here for some reason. So let's see where the hole transfers. So that's the hole there, and that transfers to here. It will come up about there. So I don't know why that's there. Because if you look here, there's the bolt there. There's the bolt there, and that's where the 10-cent piece was. So the bolt there is connecting to about there. So it's very weird. And there's a 2-part sage wing, so that's how they connect these ones here. But yeah, that is strange. I don't know why they put 5-cent and 10-cent pieces, because 10-cent piece there, 5-cent piece there, another 10-cent piece there, and that's a half a 5-cent piece there. So that's pretty weird there. Put it down in the comment section below if you do this for a living, like install stuff or paint stuff in cars. Tell me why these guys have done this. I don't know why. Maybe you guys can tell me. So put it down in the comment section below if you guys know. So let's continue to take these off. I'll put the coins down here. Yeah. There's some glue there, but that's weird. If there is a big giant hole there, probably just put some filling cap in it so the water doesn't come through. But we'll check if that water does come through. I'll put some water on the boot and see if any leaks come through. So yeah, so let's get 5-cent piece here. Looks pretty tight. I might, if I do get this one out, it'll come through here, and then I can't get it out again. So that's great. There's one there. There's one there inside there, but I don't know. It's pretty weird. So guys, that's pretty damn weird. We found a 10-cent piece plus 2 5-cent pieces inside the boot trunk of my car when I was hearing a rattle sound when I was opening and closing the boot. Now, let's see if that rattle is still there, because I thought it was a screw loose when they're putting the fin on, but let's see if it actually still rattles. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Okay, you can hear that rattling now. And thinking about it a bit more, it sounds like a 5-cent piece. inside there. It doesn't sound like a screw, it sounds like a 5-cent piece caught in here. Because they did the same job. That's probably the 5-cent piece that you can hear. Because this 5-cent piece is still glued there. And I took that 10-cent piece there, which is there. So, in my conclusion, it's the 5-cent piece that you're hearing when you open and close the boot. But the question is, guys, why did they do this? I don't know if they did it when they were putting my fin on, or they did it on the factory. Because I'm the second owner for this car, and the first owner only drove this car for 48,000 kilometers. So if he did something or not, I don't know. And it wouldn't be anything to do with this small fin here, because that's where you just glue it on. It doesn't have any screws to screw that on. Yeah. No. Yeah, okay. That's what those are, those pot rivets. That's what, or maybe it's those screws there. I'm not completely sure, but what a mystery, guys. Damn. Yeah, so let's hear it one more time. So you can definitely hear that, guys. It's a 5-cent piece or 10-cent piece inside here, and there's no way to get it out because you can't take this off. This is a factory piece for the boot. Well, I don't know, guys. I can't do anything about it. I guess I just have to accept it, that there's a 5 or 10-cent piece in there, and just move on. I guess so. Hey guys, so you can see here it is all done. I put the cover back on. Oh, besides one screw. Forgot one screw. Yeah, when you're doing this, always check. How do you do this? You just push it in. So push it in like that, and a hole is here. So you just push it in, and then click up. It's pretty damn easy. It's only holding there by these screws, so it's all good. It's back on. Everything's good, but it's still making the noise. Yeah, so I can't really do anything about that, guys, so yeah, I just have to accept it and just get over it, so whatever. But at least we found a 10-cent coin, guys. My 10 cents. Yeah, as well, put it down in the comment section below. You know the reason why they did this. There wasn't any holes in the back. They didn't drill any holes differently, so I have no idea. Yeah, so put it down in the comment section below if you know. That'll be great, thanks. So yeah, guys, that's been an interesting video of a secret of the rattling noise from my new wing that I got on my car. I'm really glad about this wing, guys. It looks awesome. It sets the car differently. It just transforms the car awesome. So that's what it looks like there. And before the wing, it looked alright, but yeah. And as well, you can see that I got my new number plates, just 25, because that's how we do it, guys. So yeah, I kept it all nice and clean, still nice and clean, so yeah. So you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more videos in the future, and hopefully I will be getting more videos in the future, guys. Put your comments down below what videos you guys want me to do next for the Subaru or for anything else. So put it down there, and yeah, don't forget to smack that like button real good, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. This has been Jazz25, guys. See you later.